In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images in Canva. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to create AI images right from your existing design without hunting through menus or extra tools. Start inside your project so you can see the editor with the left-hand sidebar. This is important because the image generator we're using lives inside the Elements panel. Once your project is open, look to the left and click Elements. You'll notice a search field at the top of that panel. That's where you'll describe the image you want Canva to create. Click into the search field and type a clear description of your image, but don't press Enter. It's easy to press Enter out of habit, but in this case that triggers a regular element search, not the AI generator. Instead, simply type your description and pause. A small panel or drop-down will appear with special options based on what you typed. Look to the bottom of that panel and click Generate Images. That's the key action that turns your text into visuals. After you click, give Canva a moment to process. You'll see it working to interpret your description and produce images that match what you wrote. Keep your description concise but specific. Mention the subject, a few style cues, and any crucial details like lighting, mood, or color. For example, instead of a dog, try a golden retriever puppy sitting on a sunlit wooden floor. Soft, natural light. Warm tones. You don't need to write a paragraph. One or two well-structured sentences usually work best. If the option to generate doesn't appear immediately, wait a second for the menu to load after you finish typing. Also, double-check that you're typing in the Elements search field on the left panel, not in the main canvas. Small spelling tweaks and clearer wording can make a noticeable difference in the results you get. If the output looks off, consider adjusting a few adjectives or swapping in a more precise noun to better guide the generator. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click Elements, type your description in the search field without pressing Enter, and then click Generate Images at the bottom of the panel. With this flow, you can quickly create visuals that fit right into your current design, saving time and keeping everything in one place. Try a few prompt variations to see what gives you the best result, and you'll be crafting on-brand, eye-catching images in no time.